Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 desktop keeps refreshing problem. First method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, check Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Type exit. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Second method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Check Upgrade this PC now, click Next. Select Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.